I got into duct cleaning. I started in a computer-aided drafting class of all things, and somebody told me about carpet cleaning and air duct cleaning, and it piqued my interest, and I went and tried it when I was 18 years old, and I'm 40 now, and I still love it just as much as I did from day one. I decided I want to start my own business, so here I am.
This is Hire It Done. I'm Adam Helfman. Contractor Spotlight. You know, every week we like to bring in professional contractors, so you get to know a little bit about the professionals in our industry, the ones that show up, the ones that actually do and say what they're going to do. In studio with me right now is Mr. Jeremy Marquardt. He's from Sani-Clean Air Duct Cleaning. Good morning, Jeremy.
How you doing today, Adam?
What's your biggest success story to date?
My biggest success story, I would say just the fact that I'm here as a business owner. You know, I was actually a troublemaker when I was a kid, and people thought I'd be in jail, and I am the exact opposite of what people thought I would be. I decided I wanted to be successful. I learned about this industry, and it excited me, and here I am. You know, I started this when I was 18 years old. I'm 40 now, and, you know, we're doing, you know, very good things, and it's based on ethics and
integrity,
doing the right thing,
showing up when you say you're going to show up.
Yeah,
I like that.
That's exactly
96% of all businesses, Jeremy, fail in the first 5 years.
That's what I hear.
How about them apples?
Them are bad apples for.
Yeah, well, you're going to beat that trend, so it doesn't even matter.
95%.
So tell us a little bit about Sani-Clean.
Sani-Clean is an air duct, furnace cleaning, and dryer vent cleaning company that I founded back in 2010. I'd been in the industry for a while, and I seen a need for a company that just worked out an ethics primarily, just telling people the price on the phone without bait and switch pricing, and showing up and doing the job the correct way. And boom, here we are.
What's the biggest challenge in running and growing your contractor business?
The biggest challenge is finding employees that have the same mindset as I do, that care like I do.
So company culture.
And that's what I need, is I need people out there that care just as much as I do, you know.
Okay, well, sometimes you have to teach that, you know. In fact, so you're hiring, right?
Yes.
You are looking for. So the phone number, 877-600, the word duct.
That's correct.
And the website, sanicleanducts.com. Ducts is D-U-C-T-S.
Yes, that is, we do have a better website. That's our old website we're transitioning over. We are now at www.airduct.cleaning.
Okay,
nice
airduct.cleaning. Here's the best part, folks. For anyone driving right now or need to write this down, don't have to. Just go to hireitdone.com.
Easy.
And we can get you there. So it's an easy, transition.
Easy peasy.
And by the way, how long have you been working with us?
I've been with you guys since 2016.
And you're having a good time?
I'm having a great time.
Let's talk about dryer vents, because, you know, it's a small little thing in your house, but it's a huge fire hazard.
That's correct.
What kind of tips can we give homeowners right now?
My biggest tip is to clean your dryer vent annually. You know, when you change your batteries, when you do your smoke detectors, you know, in the fall, it's a great time to think about cleaning that dryer vent. You know, when we think about air duct cleaning, it's nice to do. It's a nice thing. But dryer vent cleaning is not nice. It is a fire prevention measure. If you don't do it, it can cause you real problems.
And they start
fire.
just, you know, they just start out of nowhere.
Yes, and
in fact, Consumer Reports has a great article about you know, the vent cleaning and the fires that it can cause. You see, you know, a dryer vent, folks, is just connected to your dryer. The heat from the dryer vents it out there, and the lint and all the little, I call schmutz, gets in there, and then it gets hot enough and it ignites.
Yeah, it's like kindling. There's actually, I've seen some videos on YouTube where people save dryer vent lint and they take it camping with them to start their fires. No joke.
Oh, really?
Look on YouTube.
You know what? I'm a surgeon. You know why? I can do brain surgery, heart surgery. I saw it on YouTube. That's how good I am.
YouTube's pretty nice if you have the right tools to do whatever they're showing you how to do.
Yeah. Listen, I like YouTube. We have good. Hire Done's got some nice YouTube videos. So, how much is it true? The air inside your house is 5 to 10 times dirtier than the outside air?
That's what they say. The EPA has mixed things that they say. They say there's really no proof that air duct cleaning improves the indoor air quality. But with that being said, I've been doing it for 22 years. I've heard from countless people that their air quality's improved dramatically. So as far as testing it, I don't know. So I hate to say, like, yes, it's going to definitely help.
Yeah.
But more than likely, you're going to have a lot less dust. That's probably going to help you breathe nicer.
Right.
It's going to keep your house cleaner, if
let me
nothing else.
validate the statement together so we're all on the same page. respiratory doctors, asthma doctors are taking and looking at these children coming with asthma all the time. They're giving them inhalers and all that. Now they're looking and saying, hey, you know what? Go back to your house and check the air quality. So we're working with air quality experts that are telling us this. And what's happening is your furnace is spreading the dust and all the respiratory issues and all the allergens through your house. And when I ask people if they change their air filter, they look at me like, what? Huh?
Yep.
So right there is one thing. But when you clean out the ductwork in a house and you have this monster machine, tell everyone what comes out of it on an average.
We probably pull out anywhere from 10 to 20 pounds out of the average house of dust and dirt and construction debris. We've seen it all.
Did you hear that, folks? 10 to 20 pounds of dust coming out of your ductwork on the average house.
Yes, and I've been doing this personally for 22 years, and still every single job is exciting. When you see that dust coming out, it's like amazing. So we try to show the homeowner exactly what we're doing, and that's actually how we get so many reviews. People see what we're doing, and they're wowed by it, and they literally just have to tell people.
What's it cost to get your ducts cleaned on an average house?
The average cost is about $360 for about a 2,500 square foot house.
And what about the air filter? Do you help people with the air filter?
We do. We have a couple different air filters we sell. They start at $80, lifetime warranty, rinse them out once a month, on up to $600 for a one-time filter that lasts forever.
Ooh, I want to know more about that one.
It's electronic.
Okay.
It's going to filter a very fine amount of dust.
HEPA quality?
Close to HEPA quality. The HEPA filter is very good, except it's going to restrict your airflow a lot.
Which reduces the efficiency of your furnace.
Yes, you have to put an auxiliary blower in. The electronic one that we sell is close to HEPA efficiency without needing that extra blower, so the cost is a lot less.
Okay. That's not bad at all.
Yep, it's a nice trade-off.
How long does it take to do duct cleaning in a house?
Average duct cleaning is within 1 to 2 hours in most cases.
Okay, and so someone calls Sani-Clean. I just heard you on the radio. My kids are, sneezing. My eyes. I wake up with a sore throat. This could be it. How soon are you backed up in this time of year? You got Thanksgiving and all the holidays.
This is the busy season. Every single person that calls us is waiting to turn their furnace on until we come. This is that type of season. So right now we're about 2 to 3 weeks out.
Okay, so they call you today. I heard you on the radio. You're going to be coming after Thanksgiving.
Yep, after
Okay.
Thanksgiving.
It's totally fair.
And before Christmas.
Nothing wrong with that, but you'll get it done before Christmas.
That's right.
How often should homeowners clean the ducts in their house? Let's get an average house, 2,500 square foot colonial, one furnace. They got the 4-inch pleated filter, and they've been there 10 years, never had the ducts cleaned. No smokers in the house, but let's just say they got a pet.
Houses are dirty from day one when they're built, so they should be cleaned right away. If you build a brand new house, clean it. That's the first thing you should do before you move in. But after that, 2 to 5 years is plenty. Sometimes you can go further than that, but any more than 2 to 5 years, usually there's not going to be enough in there to warrant the cost.
Okay, so that's not bad at all.
No, it's not something you got to do yearly.
So
Some
I get my
companies tell you
furnace
that,
done
but
this
it's not
year,
necessary.
2023. I don't have to do anything till then.
Right.
Now, what about if you're like the crazy cat lady with 19 cats?
What I recommend is have us check your ducts. We don't charge you a penny to check your ducts when we're there cleaning your dryer vent every year.
Oh,
We're already going to be there anyway. We can just open the patch up and take a peek and stick the camera in there and show you what's there.
Now you're
Make
talking.
an educated decision.
You and I did a video, remember?
I remember.
It was great.
Yep.
I got to do another one. Let's do an updated one this year. Can we?
Absolutely.
What about condos and other units? Can you do ducts anywhere?
We do ducts everywhere. Anywhere that there's forced air, the ducts can be cleaned and should be cleaned.
What about basements that are finished? You got to cut the drywall because you cut into the ductwork. A little square circle or a little square.
We do cut circles into the ductwork and patch them up. In the past, finished basements used to pose a challenge where it would stop us from being able to get into certain ducts. As the years have gone by, it's gone away for the most part. We have a new tool that we've had for the last couple of years, so usually a ceiling doesn't play any part. I mean, rarely we might miss something like one little piece or something, but for the most part, having a ceiling or a finished basement isn't going to deter what we can do. The quality will be the same.
Dogs, cats, or other?
I prefer dogs.
Really? I had a puppy picture on Facebook yesterday. It's the best.
Dogs are the cutest. Puppies are the cutest. Now, I do like kittens, but I pick dogs simply for the fact that there's no litter box.
Hey, man, it's all good. I want to thank you for being on the show today.
Thank you for having me, Adam.
Jeremy Marquardt, Sani-Clean Air Duct Cleaning. Don't forget to get the dryer vents cleaned as well. 877-600-DUCT.
That's correct.
DUCT. Awesome. That's awesome. Well, folks, no, yes. You and I. That wraps up our first hour, but don't worry. We've got one more to go, and it'll even be better when we talk windows, last-minute holiday hacks, and Voltron power. Getting the electrical done in your house the right way, folks. That's twice now. I'm dead. I'm Adam Helfman. You're listening to the Hire It Done Radio Network.